Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Well, it's the third day in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and boy, have I got a cool prize for you today. Matter of fact, we're going to give 2 of these away, so there'll be 2 winners in today's contest. But first, I'd like to tell you one of my favorite Christmas jokes. It's a little bit complicated, so hopefully I can get through it. What do you call a group of board game players standing in the lobby of a big hotel, bragging about the best game they've ever played in their lives? Chestnuts boasting in an open foyer. It's a bit of a thinker. I like that joke a lot. Anyway, on the third day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new 95-watt car charger. That's right. This is a Drone Valley product. We designed this. We produced this. We actually offered this on the website and a couple other places a while back, and it's a phenomenal charger. Now, you're probably thinking, car chargers are car chargers, but they're not. We designed this one to be specifically ready for any kind of drone to plug into. So what you'll find on the end of it is you'll find 2 USB-C connections. One of those is a 65-watt port that's also PD. So if you plug your drone batteries into that, you can fully charge those batteries incredibly fast. And because it's PD, it recognizes batteries that are larger, that need a little more current. Maybe you've got a big tablet you want to charge. That's the port to plug it in. But you'll also find a USB-A port that's QC. And that means it's quick charge capable. So if you have a device that quick charges, plug it in there. This will actually interrogate the device. It'll find the right voltage and current. It'll adjust those to quickly and safely charge those products. And we built this because I was frustrated that every time I went out on the road, I had 3 or 4 different car chargers I had to use. So we built this one to incorporate everything you need to charge all of your portable products in your car at 65 watts. Now the beauty is it's a 95-watt charger, which means you can use the 65-watt port and you still have 30 watts on the other ports to use for smaller devices. So it's really everything you need. But it doesn't stop there. We're including a cable. This is a heavy-duty 65-watt charging cable that's USB-C to USB-C, so you can plug it into the charger, plug it into your drone, and you're good to go. We also include adapters. Now these adapters will allow you to change that USB-C on the end of the cable to an Apple connection or a micro USB connection if you have an older phone or tablet or something that uses the micro USB connection. We also include a USB-A to USB-C, so if you have an older charging cable that ends in a USB-A, you can plug it into this and use one of the USB-C ports. So we kind of give you all the plumbing you need to put together any kind of cable to charge almost anything. And then finally, we give you a really nice Drone Valley pouch that you can put all the stuff in, and this keeps it organized for you. You can throw it in your car. You always have everything you need to charge your drone and other portable gear. Now, for the contest, we're going to give 2 of these kits away. So we're going to pull 2 winners out. And the way you enter the contest is incredibly easy. Down below, you'll find a link. If you click that link, it'll bring up a form. It'll ask for your email and your YouTube username. And we need both of those points of contact because sometimes we send an email and nobody responds. So this way, if I have your YouTube username, I can try to get you on YouTube. But send me that information and you're entered in the contest. Then after 7 days, we'll go through all the entries, randomly pull out 2 winners, and we'll send you an email saying, hey, good news, you won the contest. Send us your address. We'll put this in a box and we'll ship it to you. Now, we don't hang on to your emails. Like I say every year, I have no interest in hammering you with spam. So we're going to delete all the emails once the contest is over, but you need to enter every day. So if you missed the first 2 days, go back and look at those clips and enter those contests. And today's 3rd day, so let me do the math in my head. I got 9 more days coming. So hang in there because there's some incredible prizes coming. Now, as far as the shipping goes, there's no shenanigans. I say that every time. We basically put this thing in an envelope. We send it to you free of charge. You get to use it. We know you got it. We're happy. You're happy. Everybody's happy. And that's exactly what we're trying to do over Christmas. And I don't care where in the world you live. You could live in Saskatchewan, up in Canada. I'll ship it to you there. You could live in South Jersey. You could live across the country, over in California, or up there in Washington, where the Bigfoot guys are. I don't care where you live. I'm happy to send it to you. It's a great time of year. We just love this kind of time of year because we get a chance to give back, like I'd mentioned every time, to people who watch the channel and have supported us. And we're lucky enough to work with a lot of large manufacturers that send us gear to test. And this is the time of year where we get a chance to give back to the community. And again, nothing makes me happier because we started this channel to help people better understand technology and drones specifically. And if you're learning something here, that's a good thing. But if I can give back some of the stuff we're testing, that's even better. So thanks an awful lot for watching today. Now, I have to remind you, we have 9 more days of really cool prizes coming. And I'm here to tell you, I can't say what it is because I'll get in a whole lot of trouble, but there's some really big stuff coming in these next 9 days. So hang in here on the channel. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and join the Drone Valley family, not just for the contest, but all the great content we put together throughout the year. Hit that button, you can subscribe, and that way when we post a new clip, bing, you'll get a little ding in your phone and you'll know you got to go there and enter the next contest. But anyway, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching and stay tuned to the channel. And that's pretty much it. So happy flying.